Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today's date is 8th and today is our second class for grammar regarding the chapter present continuous tense. In our previous class, in our previous video, I have explained you like what is present continuous tense and some examples like where we use present continuous tense, and we have done one exercise also regarding it, and one formula we have derived like present continuous tense we use is or am or are plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, we have discussed this like how we got this formula for present continuous tense. Verb first form plus ing. Keep this in mind, okay? Now today we are going to do the other exercises of the same chapter. Exercise B. Write the present participle form. Write the present participle form of the following verb. Now you will ask me, ma'am, we are doing present continuous tense and in the exercise it is asking present participle form. Yes, keep this in mind. Verb first form plus ing. This is altogether known as present participle. Is it clear? This is known as present participle. That means if I will give a verb here, you have to add ing to the verb. Then it will become present participle. Is it clear? So let's do the exercise. A. Come. So what will be the present participle form? Come plus ing. C-O-M-I-N-G. Coming. Okay. When the vowel is at last, we will remove the vowel and we will add ing. Coming. Okay. Next. Take. Similarly, it will be taking. That means I have removed the E and I have added ing. Okay. Now third, start. When the verb is ending on a consonant, then we will just add ing. Starting. Okay. But when it will end on vowel, we will remove that vowel and then we will add ing to the base form. Clear? Now, similarly, we have other verbs also. Bring, bringing, learn, learning, eat, eating, go, going, play, playing. So, like this, we have the whole exercise which I will send you in your WhatsApp group so that you can do it there. Okay, now we will discuss the next exercise. Now, what is the next exercise? Change the following. Change the following sentences into present continuous tense. change the following sentences into present continuous tense. One sentence is given here. Ram goes to school. See, let's discuss. Ram goes to school. Goes. First, how we will see the sentence is in which form or which tense we will see depending upon the verb. First, we will see the verb. Verb is goes. That means go plus es. In a simple present tense, we add s or es to the base verb. This thing I have taught you when I was teaching the chapter simple present tense. So, if it is said, change the following sentences into present continuous tense. So, we have to keep that the verb should be in this form. Present continuous tense form. Then only the sentence will be in present continuous tense. Right? Now, for present continuous tense, what is the verb here? Go. Goes. Goes is given here, but what is the base form? Base form is go. Now, what is the formula for present continuous tense? Is am, are plus verb first form plus ing. So, first thing, verb first form is here, go, then ing, going. We have derived this thing. Now, what about is, am, are? Now, we will see the subject. Subject is Ram. Ram is a single person. So, for single person, we will use is. So, what the sentence we are getting? Ram is going to school. Is it clear? This thing, Ram goes to school. This is in simple present tense. Now, we have converted that sentence into present continuous tense like Ram is going to school. Is it clear? Now, let's discuss the next sentence. Sheila plays carom. Sheila plays carom. Now, what is the verb here? First, we will see the verb. Plays. Again, S is added to the base form. That means the sentence is in simple present tense. Now, we have to convert it into present continuous tense. How we will convert? First, we will convert the verb. Plays. What is the base form? Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Okay. Now, we got the verb play. Now, verb first form plus ing. So, we will get verb play, ing, playing. Verb is playing. Now, we have to see the subject. Sheila. Sheila, single person again. So, Sheila is. Sheila is playing carom. Is it clear? I hope you have understood both the sentences. Now let's see the third sentence. We go on a picnic tomorrow. We go on a picnic tomorrow. Again, this is in simple present tense. Now we will convert into present continuous tense. See how. Again, base form is here. Go. Why we have not added s or es? Because it is plural. We. Okay. So, we go on a picnic tomorrow. Base form is go only. So, go will remain like this. ing. Going. We got the verb. Present continuous tense verb we got. Going. Now, we. We is the subject here and subject is in which form? Plural form. Okay. Subject is in plural form. So, for plural we are going to use are. So, the sentence will be We are going on a picnic tomorrow. I hope you all have understood. Similarly, if the sentence will be starting from I, then we will add am. I am going, eating, whatever will be the sentence, whatever will be the verb, we will add like that. But when the sentence will start with I, then we will use am. Okay. Otherwise, when the subject will be plural, we are going to add are. And when the subject will be singular, whether it's he, she or any name, then we are going to add is plus verb first form plus ing. I hope this thing is clear. Now we will discuss other exercise. Exercise D is complete the following sentences with is, am or are. This concept right now I have explained you how you have to do, but let's see with some examples. Okay. So, first sentence, I dash going to play. I dash going to play. It's very easy. I is given, that means am will be there. Nothing else. You can close your eyes and you can write I am. Always I am. Am is always used with I. So I am going to play. Second sentence, she dressing her little sister. Okay, she dash dressing her little sister. Nothing to look at this part. I am telling you, nothing to look at this part. Just see subject. I am. She is singular person. She is dressing her little sister. Okay. Now let's see the third. We dash not making fun of you. Fun of you. So we dash, we subject, we are. We is plural, so we are. Is it clear? So like this we will do the exercises of present continuous tense. I will send you all the exercises in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Now let's see the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences after correcting them. First sentence, Ria are sleeping in her bedroom. We have to correct the sentence. Ria are sleeping. Is it? Are will be there? No. Ria is sleeping. Why? Riya is a single subject. So Riya is. Instead of are, we are going to write is. Riya is sleeping in her bedroom. Next sentence. Prabhu and Reshu is playing together. Is playing together. Prabhu and Reshu, two names are given there. So how it can be is? Instead of is, we will write are. So this is very easy. I hope all the things are clear to you now. So now I will send you all the exercises in your group so that you can do it. That's all for present continuous tense. Stay safe, stay at home and keep learning. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a nice day.